Our next question. Pindu takes 8 days more than those of Nishu to complete a certain works. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. Then our question is, how many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Let the number of days taken by Nishu to complete the work alone. To complete the work alone be X days. X days. The number of days taken by Nishu to complete the work alone be taken as X days, and according to the question, Pindu takes 6 more days. That means the number of days taken by Pindu to complete the work alone be taken as X plus 6 days. If they work together, they can finish that work in 4 days. Then how many days they can work alone to finish that work? That is the question. Number of days taken by Nishu to complete the work alone is 6 days. So we can write work done by Nishu in 1 day. Nishu requires X days to finish the work. So work done by Nishu in 1 day is 1 by 6. In the same way, work done by Pindu in 1 day is 1 by X plus 6. They require 4 days together. If they work together, they require 4 days to finish the work. So we can write that as work done by both in 1 day is 1 by 4. They finish 1 by 4th of the work in 1 day. So according to the given condition, how we can represent this? The work done by Nishu plus work done by Pindu in 1 day, X by 6, that is equal to work done by both in 1 day, that is 1 by 4. 1 by X plus 1 by 6, X plus 6 equal to 1 by 4. According to the given condition, the work done by Nishu in 1 day plus work done by Pindu in 1 day equal to 1 by 4th of the work. Now we have to simplify it. Then 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4. Numerator become X plus 6 plus X and denominator X into X plus 6 equal to 1 by 4. X plus 6 plus X is 2X plus 6. Denominator X into X plus 6 is X square plus 6X equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiply, then 4 into 2X plus 6 equal to X square plus 6X. Now multiply this. 4 into 2X is 8X, 4 into 6 is 24 equal to X square plus 6x. Now rearrange this equation. 8x plus 24 is equal to x square plus 6x. X square 6x minus 8x minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now we form the quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. How we can simplify this? X square minus 2x minus 24. That means two numbers whose product is 24 and whose minus 24 and whose sum is minus 2. X minus 6 and plus 4. X. So we can write this in the terms of factors as x minus 6 into x plus x minus 6 into x plus 4. Minus 6 and plus 4 are the two numbers whose product is minus 24 and whose sum is minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Now equate each term to 0. Equate each term to 0, that is x minus 6 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 6 and x plus 4 is equal implies x is equal to minus 4. Here we take x as number of days taken by Nishu to complete the work alone. Number of days, x is number of days. So, number of days cannot be negative. We take the positive value of x is equal to 6. So, we can conclude that number of days taken by Nishu to complete the work alone is 6 days and number of days taken by Pindu to complete the work alone is x plus 6. Here x is 6, that 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 days. If they work alone, Nishu takes 6 days and Pindu takes 12 days to finish the work if they work alone, and if they work together within 4 days they can finish the work. Here we take the work done by in 1 day, and according to given condition we represent that information as 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4, and we simplify this equation and we form its corresponding quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0, and we find out its factors and hence find the value of x. Here x is number of days, so we take the positive value only. If you have any doubts or queries, mail me through step2max@gmail.com. Thank you.